In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Meta Pixel to Squarespace website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website. Squarespace is a fantastic platform known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive design options, making it a go-to choice for many website creators. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, and log in by clicking on the login button you see on the homepage. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself at the Squarespace dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're in the dashboard, locate and click on Website. This action leads you to the section where you can begin editing your web content. It's here that we'll add the Facebook Meta Pixel, which allows you to understand the actions people take on your site and reach those audiences again through Facebook ads. Next, within the website section, locate the Edit button. Clicking this will open the website editor. This is your main tool for making changes to your site's layout or content. Look around and you'll see different sections and tools that you can use to customize your website. After that, it's time to add blocks. In the Squarespace editor, you can add various blocks. Think of them as building blocks for your site layout. What we're focusing on is adding a code block. So click on Add Blocks to see a new menu list appear. From the menu, pick Code as your block type. This is where you'll paste your Facebook Meta Pixel code. Before you get to this point, make sure you've already set up your pixel in Facebook Ads Manager and copied the pixel code. If not, head over to Facebook Ads Manager and find the instructions for setting up your pixel there. Once you have the pixel code ready, come back to Squarespace and paste it exactly as it is within the code block. Once the code is pasted, give your page a quick review, make sure everything looks good and that your pixel code is in place. Don't forget to save your changes. Saving your work ensures that the pixel is added correctly to your website. Now the pixel is active and you're all set up to capture valuable data about how visitors interact with your site. And there you have it, you've successfully added the Facebook Meta Pixel to your Squarespace site. As you start seeing insights in Facebook, remember to keep refining your strategies based on reliable data. Thanks for following along with this tutorial and happy data tracking.